First, congratulations po to your new event, no? Parang launching, grand launching. Okay. Please tell us something about this event, yung mangyayari ngayon. Sir.
Yes. This tonight we have a product launch, launching ng products namin. And then we're expecting more exciting events because we have several guests and product shows at the same time. Okay, this is our second month only. We have last October 29 pre-launch, and right now we do a grand launching product show.
So wala pa kayong isang taon sa market?
Wala pa po.
Wow.
It's very new company. Yes.
Tapos please tell us something about the product. Yung product mismo po.
Yes, our product is beauty and wellness. We offer beauty at the same time wellness. It's all because of the pandemic, nagkaroon tayo ng issue na about health, no? So our company is giving a product about wellness and then information dissemination regarding sa health natin. Awareness.
Pero
about
ito
health.
locally produced or galing sa ibang
Yes,
bansa?
locally, 100% local company. And these are BOD.
What are the samples of the product siya para sa good health po
So we
natin?
have glutathione, tawag doon is Artihaco, and then we have keto diet, it's for steaming and whitening also, and we have barley juice for yung mga bata o mga adult na ayaw kumain ng vegetable and fruits, they can take that barley juice. And then we have insulin coffee na para sa mga diabetic persons. And we also have rejuvenating set for the face, anti-aging and pang glass skin.
Yeah. Wow.
How effective yung mga products po natin?
Tested na, kumbaga.
Actually, they are already tested before namin siya nilabas sa market. So, we, as owner, tinatry muna namin yung mga product, and then how many times kami nagpa-test sa aming mga chemist, and then before namin siya binuksan.
So bakit makalo-launch nyo lang, hindi nyo ba naisip na kumuha ng isang malaking celebrity?
Okay, that's a good question, ma'am. Okay. So, kami kasi is, we all know that Filipino now, in time of pandemic, is medyo nasa house lang sila, and then ang ginagawa lang nila more on online. So, hindi na namin kailangan kumuha ng isang celebrity para i-market ang aming products. We use our own distributors, kung sino yung mga distributors namin, para at least mas ma-impose ang kanilang personality.
Pero in the near future, may plans ba kayo na kumuha?
Yes.
Na magiging face of
Sino ang gusto niyong makuha ng celebrity?
Nakikita nyo na pwedeng mag-represent ng inyong product.
We do have plan early next year. We're planning for promoting using a billboard in EDSA. But we are promoting, of course, the company beauties with President and Vice President.
Oo, parang pwede na eh.
Oo, kayo na lang eh, no?
Actually, we soon by next year, so the model for insulin coffee is Sir Jerry. Sir Jerry Gascon. And then for our keto diet and Bihaco, also the Miss Leslie Dependencia, the Vice President of our company. And also for the Bihaco, and then we as owner, kami yung mismong
I-endorse.
yes sa ating product.
Siguro bago yung next question namin, pakilala muna kayo isa-isa para naman nakilala namin kung sino-sino po sila.
Anyway, my name is Sir Ben Raguero. Ako po yung marketing director ng company. Ako po yung nag-conceptualize ng marketing plan with the distributors, how to earn there. And then, ako rin yung nagpangalan mismo ng Miss Elle's Beauty and Wellness Corporation. And these are...
Bakit, bago si Sir, bakit Miss Els po?
Actually, Miss Els is coming from her name. Okay? And then, Vice President is Leslie. So that's why
Double L.
Double L.
So nasa beauty industry kasi sila.
Okay.
So sila mga international artists, no?
Sir?
Yun. Nag-judge na sila international, of course. Actually, this coming January, meron si press competition sa USA, Texas for the beauty contest.
Wow.
Yeah.
So, yan. So,
Okay.
The next.
Next po.
Guy, please.
So, I'm Alfredo Cristobal II. So, I'm your Vice President for Network Development. So, ako naman po yung nangangalaga sa mga distributor, yan po na nagiging part po ng Miss Els. So, syempre, sabi nga natin, hindi naman po lahat ng nagiging part ng business merong knowledge regarding sa business na pinapasok nila. So, isa po ako doon sa mga nagtuturo, nag-guide po sa kanila para gawin yung negosyo ng tama. Okay? Para din, kumita rin po sila ng maganda.
Okay. Bago sila ma'am, sila sir ma'am.
Yes, my name is Jose Maribabasa. I'm the Vice President of Product Development. For the near future, marami pa kami lalabas na product na kakabang po natin.
Mga fresh.
I'm also Jerry Gaston, Marketing Manager of Miss Els. Talagang maasahan po yung produkto namin na talagang FDA approved po yung lahat ng mga plans. So, as a marketing manager, so ako po yung nag-iikot sa buong Pilipinas market po itong Miss Els natin.
Wow.
Yes,
Si Ma'am
I'm Leslie
Leslie.
Pindesha. I'm the Vice President of the company. I'm assigned naman sa mga marketing distributors.
So, my name is Miss Luigi Tijada, okay? Just call me Miss Els for short. And then, I'm the president and CEO of this company, Miss Els Beauty and Wellness Corporation.
Kamukha mo si ano?
Sino?
Si Regine Tolentino.
Oh my God!
Alam mo, ang dami niyang kamukha. Wala siyang makeup.
Community queen.
Talaga.
Ang dami niya, mas maganda pa siya sa mga
Yes,
artista.
Sir Ben is my friend.
Sinabi pa yun, no? Ma'am,
Kaya-
pag-usapan natin yung sinabi ni sir na sasali daw kayo sa contest soon.
Yes.
Ano po yung contest na yan?
Ako po kasi is 2018, I've been doing business industry. Yes. Nung una, for makeup lang. And then, alam niyo po ba yung semi-permanent makeup? Yes. Kilay, eyeliner, lips. Yes.
Kilay is life.
Yes, yun. So before the pandemic, before dumating yung pandemic, I'm judging other country, okay? I'm judging Indonesia, Malaysia, and then Myanmar, etc. But nung dumating yung pandemic, so na-stop tayo kasi walang flight, right? So ngayon, dahil Pilipino tayo, you know that Filipino is a creative. And then, marunong silang maglaro sa mind nila kung ano yung pwedeng magiging business again. So, that's why, sabi ko, parang may ilalabas pa ang Miss Els Beauty Launch. Yan. Miss Els Beauty Launch kasi nag-start 2018 until now, ongoing pa yon. So, kaya kami nakapaglabas ng Miss Els Beauty and Wellness Corporation because of the people behind me. Ayan, Sir Ben, and then Sir Bong, Sir Joms, Sir Jerry, and then si Miss Leslie. Okay? Parang kino-combine namin yung aming minds and then na-create namin ang Miss Els Beauty and Wellness Corporation.
Hindi niyo ba pinanong magpumasok ng showbiz before?
Actually, kinukuha ko yan candidate ng Mrs. Universe.
Siya po pumayag.
Hindi siya pumayag.
Yes,
Oo
kinuha
nga.
niya ako Miss Universe Philippines.
Pwede
Sabi ko,
naman.
no, hindi. Kasi kumbaga, mas nakatutok ako doon sa
Sa
pagpapaganda sa business
Correct.
talaga.
So, walang plans entering the show business?
Wala ako so far. Magpo-focus muna ako dito kasi I'm thankful to God kasi itong business na to, nag-start kami last October 29, 2021 this year. But, ayun nga, yes, we have 130 distributors
Agad-agad.
na-shock nga kami kasi dumating na siya saan yun, Sir Jerry? Australia ba rin? US?
Australia.
International na.
Ayun, so nakalabas na siya sa ibang bansa. So, napaka-sarap lang sa pakiramdam na kabago-bagong kumpanya. Medyo kumakalat.
So, anong target ng market na ano? Na babaihan o may panlalaking din product? Or may
Ayan.
Well, actually, ang target naming market is from sa bata hanggang sa mas matanda. Pinakamatanda.
Lalaki at babae po.
Yes.
Yeah, because our product, barley kasi is pwede din sa kids, right? And then for ladies naman, yung keto diet,
Yes.
okay? And then glutathione, pwede naman din sa mga, alam mo na, madami tayong mga ganyan.
Yes.
So, lalaki at babae, pwede doon. And then the other one is the rejuvenating set, ayan, na kung saan unisex siya, pwede siya sa lalaki, pwede din sa babae, lalo na yung mga nagkaka-pimples dyan, ayan. So,
pero
pwede-
affordable naman ang presyo.
Yes, very affordable.
Very affordable. Pwede niyong i-check ang aming page for the products prices.
Ito Miss El, may mga nanonood abroad. Saan daw ito mabibili kung sa ibang bansa? May mga
Wow.
outlet na ba?
Sir
Yes,
Ben?
so far wala pa po kaming outlet international, but we do a courier, no, na pwede nating padalahan, no, sa ibang bansa. Okay? So of course, we are only a 2-month-old company, no. We don't expect too much, no, for the 2 months. And then we are planning for that, no, magkaroon tayo ng international branch.
Ano daw po ulit lahat ng mga products nyo na ilalabas or nilabas na?
So far, meron kaming bihako, no, glutathione, sa liver food. We have barley,
Sino po?
slimy juice,
Mm,
and then
sige
we
po.
have keto diet, and then we have
dalawang
insulin coffee.
Sige.
Ang sarap ng insulin.
Yes. Sobrang sarap po. Sobrang sarap po.
2022 may mga bagong produkto ba?
Yes po.
Regular?
Meron po.
Hopefully.
So under ano ka? Planning stage or
Study pa lang ngayon sa ating chemist. Ini-studyhan pa lang para at least pag nilabas natin siya sa market is very okay na siya.
This is a multi-level marketing, tama
Yes,
po
yes.
ba?
Yeah.
And how do you compete? Ang daming naglalabas ang ano, di ba? Tapos yung iba nga rin, sabi during this pandemic, nagsara, di ba? Kayo po, how you maintain yung, yun, for ilang months lang, nag-boom na agad. Kayo yung nagbukas, sa dami nagsara, kayo yung nagbukas, di ba?
Actually, yung secret namin is first the products. The price, very affordable and effective, and sobrang sarap talaga. Lahat ng nakakatikim nito talagang sold out sila sa flavor and
Effective.
super effective.
Sir, saan daw pwedeng tumawag if ever mag-order sila?
Yes, we have our hub office, Novaliches, and then you can check sa aming website, sa aming page, no? Marami kami mga distributors. You can check sa FB namin, Miss El's Beauty and Wellness, lalabas na po lahat ng distributor namin doon. So medyo tumaas yung search engine namin. So talagang, kasi lahat ng distributors namin, nire-require namin na gumawa ng page, no? For the marketing sa online.
Open daw po ito for franchise, Miss El.
City distributor, ayan.
Distributor only.
Yes, actually, in 2 months, so we have Davao, we have Davao branch, Cebu branch, and then we have Vigan, Caloocan, Pangasinan, and then we have also General Santos, yun yung pinakabago natin, and then Pagadian City.
Actually, yung city distributor namin is 699,000 pesos. So, in a matter of 1 month, we cater 7 city distributors. And then, actually, maganda yung impact kasi may kasama na siyang salon, no? Beauty Lounge, Miss El's Beauty Lounge. So, hindi lang siya.
One package na
Yes,
yun.
One
yes.
package.
Kumbaga, one package na. You have your multi-level marketing business and you have this beauty lounge na traditional. We cater facial, no? Meron tayong hair spa, foot spa, and nail spa.
so complete.
Yes.
That's why beauty.
And it shows.
Miss El, kasi kaibigan naman kita, pero gusto ko malaman, kukuha ka ba ng mga endorser ng mga celebrity?
As of now po, hindi po muna. Ayan. Kasi mas nagpo-focus ako doon sa mga members, distributor na galing mismo sa Miss Els. Sila na yung kukunin namin na ambassadress. Kasi, kumbaga, sikat na yung mga artista and then may pangalan na sa industriya. Samantalang yung aming mga distributor, kami ang magpapasikat sa kanila.
So
Wow.
kanina na
Mapapasana all na.
Sana all.
So kanina na-mention niyo po yung about yung plano na magkaroon ng billboard. Ang i-billboard niyo ba yung mga distributors na talaga naman naging successful?
Or kayo po mismo
Oo,
yung
kayo
mga
mismo.
mag-endorse?
Actually, kami tatlo, ayan, makikita nyo kami sa EDSA soon.
So buong Pilipinas ito?
Yes.
Okay. So please invite them to be a part of this Miss Els.
Okay. I'm
Youth and
inviting you. Ayun. So, kindly visit my our page. Hindi ko na lang maisa-isa kung saan na page kasi sobrang dami ng page na nagawa nila. Almost 100 pages na ata yung nagawa nila sa Facebook. So, you can visit Miss Els Beauty and Wellness Corporation. Pwede din po tayo doon mag-order. Or, gusto nyo, mag-visit na rin kayo sa Lazada and sa Shopee. Ayan. So, pwede na tayo mag-avail doon. And then, also, ang ating system po, meron po tayong store na kung saan doon kayo mismo makakabili ng ating mga products.
Oo. And
Online
tonight,
store.
ngayon sa event, ano ba yung may expect ng mga distributors? May mga awarding ba? May ipamimigay ba?
May pasabog ba? May mga
Pasabog ba?
kotse?
Pinakamaraming
Aeroplano.
Bali, award lang muna, titignan natin yung mga...
May mga awards tayo sa top leaders.
Yes.
So, meron na tayo. Just 2 months may mga top leaders na tayo.
Wow.
Then may mga raffle draw tayo. So may papamigay tayo mga laptop, cellphones.
Wow.
And, products.
Ay, hintayin ko yung rapport.
Yes.
Baka naman.
Okay, so that's it. That's it. So let's enjoy the night. And thank you for coming.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Oo, because I'm doing business talaga every day. That's why I don't know. Ang alam ko lang kilala ko.
Bernardo.
Ayan, kilala ko. Sila
Liza Soberano.
Liza Soberano. Ay, hindi ko na nga halos maano. Kasi
Sa GMA po.
For GMA naman, I really love Marian Rivera. Ako talaga gusto kong bumuo ng ipapaano ko na sarili kong product.
Sa sarili
Kumbaga
niya.
sarili kong model, sarili kong endorser.
Na mismong galing
Yes,
sa...
galing mismo sa company.
Pasikatin nyo.
Yes. Kung sino
Maganda.
yung unang nagtitiwala sa amin, syempre, bibigyan mo sila ng big break.